What's up, Kia 2 Technical, back again with another video. And today we have a wireless audio receiver and transmitter. This is from the company, if I can say it right, Yocowoco. It's for airplane home stereo use. So like it says, you can use this on headphones, out in air travel, in the gym, in the TV, in the audio car, in the speaker. So this comes in handy if you're somewhere, say you're traveling and they have little TVs, but you want to listen to the TV, but it's not Bluetooth. This will allow you to connect it to the TV and connect it to your wireless headphones. And this is something good to have when you travel a lot, even if you don't travel a lot. So let me take you over to their website real quick. So here is their website. And this is the Bluetooth transmitter that they sent me over in black. So it is $19.99 plus tax. And this is pretty much what it looks like. It says what it says it is, and it does what it says it does. As you can see, they have it connected to a TV so they can get Bluetooth connection. If it does not really have a Bluetooth connection, you can connect it to your iPad, tablet, so on and so on. So we'll probably test this on my iPad, only because I do not have a TV that has this kind of hole to where I can plug it into at the moment, but I can use it for my iPad. And if you're at the gym and they have a TV playing on your little treadmill, then it comes in handy also for that. Let me just find my dongle and I can get this thing showing. I can show you what it's supposed to do, make a demonstration. I wish I was on an airplane to where I can show you how this would work, but I have to do what I can do for now. Let me find an adapter. Which I don't know if I have an adapter. So bear with me real quick. I have an adapter. I just don't know where my adapter. If you want to use it with your iPad, you would have to have a cable like this, only because the iPad has USB-C and doesn't have the headphone jack anymore with a lot of things. With a lot of things. So pretty much you would just connect this into here, and then you would let me bring in my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And it says to use the USB device, unlock the phone. Of course, you have to unlock the device. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to YouTube. I just don't want to play any music, just in case it's not fully connected the right way. Okay, yeah, it's working. So I'm watching a video, and I am not using Bluetooth connection. I am using the connection from the transmitter, and that is nice. That is nice. Like I said, this is something handy if you like to do a lot of traveling. So this is handy for tech people and people that just like to do a lot of traveling, because like I said, if you don't want to listen to what everybody else is listening to, or if you don't want anybody to hear what you're listening to on TV, then you have access to this. So I think you can change the volume with this button here. Get another button. You get your power button. You get the TX and the RX button, and then at the bottom here you get your USB-C for charging. And now we're just going to power them off like so, and just like that, they are disconnected. So if I wanted to connect something else to this, I would be able to just connect something else to it just like that and be on the go. So this is, like I said, this is a pretty good little transmitter device to have. This video helpful, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.